My father's name is Fernando. He is 51 years old. He is really good cooker. He likes to make barbecue for all the family and invite friends. He is a kind and sweet person. He is curly hair and he is kind of white. My grandma, his name is Eloisa. She is 73 years old. She's nice person, but she also a strong temper. She is short and her hair is black and curly. Her is kind of white. She really enjoy they have a cup the cookie and talk about the life. My sister name is Catalina. She is 20 years old. She is tall and skinny. Her skin is white and she is really beautiful. She has a long hair and straight. She is really love a person. She is outgoing and talk type person. My sister name is Camila. She is 26 years old. She's short and her skin is white. She's a nice and skin person. She likes to help people and she's really calm and peaceful person. Her hair is blonde and not long and her eyes are light brown.